Next, let us say you are working on real-time project and you have a requirement to build the CRUD REST APIs. Then don't just write the code line by line. Ask ChatGPT to create or generate the code for CRUD REST APIs so that you can save your time and boost your productivity. Alright, so here let us ask ChatGPT to generate the CRUD REST APIs for one of the resource. Let us say library management system. So here just write the prompt like create a CRUD REST APIs for book, and this is basically a library management system project. So whatever the project you are working on, you can specify over here. And let us say you are using Spring Boot, so you can also mention the technology in the prompt so that ChatGPT understands the context. Okay, create the CRUD REST APIs for book using Spring Boot 3. You can also mention the particular version of Spring Boot that you are using. Next, let us say you want to use Spring Data JPA at a backend. You can just mention that as well. And if you want to use the database, let us say MySQL, you can mention that as well, like this. Here is a complete example of creating CRUD REST APIs for managing books in a library management system using Spring Boot 3, Spring Data JPA in MySQL. And here you can see the step-by-step details. Project setup. So first we need to do the project setup and we need to add all these dependencies to the pom.xml file. And then we need to configure the MySQL database in a application.properties file or application.yml file. Next, here is the book entity class code. Book class has ID, title, author, publisher, year, and then repository, and then service, and then controller. Okay, and here within a controller you can see the CRUD REST APIs for book resource. Get all books, get book by ID, create book, update book, delete book. Okay, next create the database and test the book related endpoints. So basically ChatGPT provided all the details step by step. You just follow these steps to build the CRUD REST APIs for book entity. Okay, so this is how ChatGPT generates the code. So just don't write the code line by line. Ask ChatGPT to generate the code for you so that you can save your time.